Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig. This wig is from Unice Hair. So this is the wig straight out the box. This is one of their new 5x5 thin blend away HD lace wigs, and the lace is very thin. This might be one of the thinnest lace on a wig I've had. So the wig that I have is a Bodywave wig, 180% density, and she is 26 inches, so the wig is nice and long. The wig is actually pretty full. I normally go for like, well, I feel like they normally come like 150 density, but this one is 180%, and that is perfect because nobody wants no thin wig. And since this is a body wave texture, sometimes it tends to be a little thinner, so I like that this hair is actually full from root to tip. Also, the wig has cutouts around the ear, so that makes this way more comfortable to wear throughout the day. So as far as the installation for me, I just twisted my hair up, clipped it up, and then that's it. Put a wig cap on and I'm putting the wig on. And since this is a pre-everything wig, which basically means it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, there literally is nothing that you have to do, which is how I love my wigs. This is literally the wig straight out of the box. I'm going to show you what I do to prep it so it's like ready to wear. Since it's been in a box, you probably will have to go over the roots to straighten it out or flatten it out, which is what I'm about to do. I'm just going in with some hairspray and a hot comb to get rid of the lumps and bumps, which this also goes away if you wash your wig when you get it, which I highly recommend. But sometimes I do want to show you guys if you didn't want to do that, because a lot of people don't do that, but please don't do that. Wash your wig. But I know sometimes we're in a time crunch and you can't do that, so this is basically me just showing you how easy it is to wear it and go. This is super beginner friendly. This is super, if you don't know what you're doing, I would definitely get one of the wigs that are already pre-styled and pre-everything.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Come up in your mouth, you ain't speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me.
And to style the hair, I'm just going to throw some curls in it to give it a little pizzazz. You can do whatever you want to do with your wig, but we're curling it today, so yeah.
Fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. But you still give me head if I had patience. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slung. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I.
This wig curled really easily, as you can see. It also has so much sheen to the hair. The hair looks very healthy and lustrous, Is that a word? I don't know. It's something like that. But here is the hair all curled up. I was going for like a body wave. That's so funny because this is a body wave wig, but I was going for like soft body waves. I didn't want anything too tight, so I'm brushing through it just to give the hair some volume. And if you did not want to wear a middle part, which I do not, you can opt for a side part. So I am just switching this to a side part. Again, this is a 5x5, so you have a good amount of parting space. You have a good amount to kind of play with it and do as you want. So that's all I'm doing here.
Want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes. Girl, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it real good. Your nigga call us text. So baby, don't be mad, you look alright. Your nigga call us text. So baby, don't be mad, you look alright.
You really don't have to do too much. You honestly don't even have to do the step that I'm doing, but I am just cutting a little bit of the wig's hair so I can have a cute little side swoop situation. So I'm just going in with some setting lotion, setting foam to kind of mold that. I find that the hair stays and it's not so crunchy when you use a setting, why I keep saying setting foam, when you use like a styling foam or something. So I'm probably gonna stop using hairspray because it makes the hair crunchy. So that's all I'm doing here. Again, this is a glueless wig, so I did not use hairspray. As you can see, the comb is gliding right under this. This is a glueless wig, literally a hairsprayless wig. So it's nice. It blends right into the skin. The lace is like the perfect color. It's like transparent or something. I don't know. But it blends right in with the skin. If your forehead area is a little more generous than mine, I'm sure this wig would look so good on you. Just because the lace is perfect, the wig is comfortable, and I think that's because the caps are now much more thin and breathable, so that's nice. And I'm just going in with a little bit more of that foam so that the part will stay a side part, but that is it. The foam also helps with flyaways, which this wig didn't have many short hairs, so that's a plus. But other than that, the wig is perfect. I love how this styling came out. I love how full it is. I just love everything about this so far. So here's what we're looking like all the way around, nice and full. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Unice's hair info in the description box, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.